Welcome back to my channel, truck lovers. Today I'm absolutely mind-blown by what I'm about to show you. The 2025 Ford Ranger completely transformed by Carlex Design. If you thought the standard Ranger was impressive, wait until you see what happens when Polish luxury meets American ruggedness. I've spent the last 2 weeks with this incredible creation, and I can honestly say it's like driving a piece of automotive art that just happens to be incredibly capable off-road. The moment I first laid eyes on this Carlex Design Ranger, my jaw literally dropped. These guys have taken Ford's already handsome truck and turned it into something that looks like it belongs in a luxury showroom. The custom front grille with its intricate mesh pattern and LED accent lighting creates such a premium presence. My neighbor actually asked if Ford had released a new luxury truck line because this thing looks so upscale parked in my driveway. Inside is where Carlex Design has truly worked their magic. The entire cabin has been completely reimagined with hand-stitched Napa leather that feels softer than what you'd find in most luxury cars. The diamond-quilted seats are not only gorgeous, but incredibly comfortable during long drives. I took a 6-hour road trip last weekend, and my back felt better when I arrived than when I started. The custom carbon fiber trim pieces and brushed aluminum accents create this perfect balance between rugged and refined that I've never experienced in a pickup truck. Performance remains true to the Ranger's DNA, but with enhanced refinement. The 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbo engine still delivers 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, but Carlex has added custom exhaust tuning that gives it this deep, satisfying rumble without being obnoxious. The 10-speed automatic transmission feels smoother than ever, and the intelligent 4-wheel drive system handled everything I threw at it during my off-road adventures last weekend. What really impressed me is how Carlex managed to maintain the Ranger's legendary capability while adding luxury touches. The custom bedliner and tailgate design are both beautiful and functional. The upgraded suspension system provides a more comfortable ride on the highway, while still maintaining excellent ground clearance for serious off-road work. I hauled a load of gravel for my landscaping project, and this truck handled it like it was nothing while looking absolutely stunning doing it. The attention to detail is extraordinary. Custom ambient lighting, premium sound deadening materials, and even personalized embroidery options make this feel like a truly bespoke vehicle. At approximately $85,000 for the complete Carlex transformation, it's definitely an investment, but the quality and uniqueness are undeniable. This Carlex designed Ranger proves that you don't have to choose between luxury and capability. It's honestly ruined regular trucks for me because now I know what's possible when craftsmanship meets engineering.